Hey everyone, it's Natasha. I'm going to show you this month's Grace and Grit box. This video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to show it to you. The box itself is so cute. I believe you will change the world. And then on the side, Grace and Grit. This is a subscription box for girls. And let me open it up and show you what's inside. So this is just adorable. It comes packaged so beautifully. So this month's woman is Harriet Tubman. Each month features a new woman, and each month comes with an adorable charm for a charm bracelet that you get in your very first box. So you just pull this charm off and stick it on your charm bracelet. All right, and then we open up the box, and this month's character trait is obviously courage. And the box itself is so beautiful. Share your stories with us. You can post on Instagram and Facebook. And then here is the items. Okay, so each month you get some sort of little treasure. We've gotten gloves and now a bracelet. Look at that, a little lantern. I mean a necklace, I'm sorry, not a bracelet. That is adorable. My daughter's gonna be thrilled. She hasn't seen this yet. Oh, that is just so cute. Okay, and then here is the notebook. Every great dream begins with a dreamer, Harriet Tubman. And in this, it has quotes, and then it has the story of Harriet Tubman. So the girls read this, and then they do some journaling activities. So there will be a question like this one. Harriet Tubman believed slavery was wrong. She believed everyone had a right to liberty. What is something you feel passionate about? It could be aiding an endangered species, helping to end world hunger, or doing something to support your town or school. Write it down below. What are some things you could do to help? Have a conversation with a trusted female and ask her, what are you passionate about? And then there's activity 2. What do you do when you are scared? How do you keep yourself calm and remind yourself you can conquer your fear and see your way through? Write it down below. Now ask a trusted female what she does to conquer her fears. Write her response below. Activity 3. This week I will ask you to be courageous. Can you stand up for someone being treated unfairly, or perhaps conquer a fear you have? Write down your experience. Challenge a trusted female to be courageous this week as well. Activity 4. Go back to last week's activity. Write about how you felt while you were being courageous. Did your courage help you or someone else? How did it make life better for you or for others? Would you do it again? Ask a trusted female the same questions. Write her response down. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. And there's always a little note from Heather, who created this. And there's always a card that you can hang up, like a postcard picture that you can hang up on the wall or wherever to collect the women you've been studying about. See back there. And then there's always these little cards. And let me show you. There's these play it forward exercises. Carry this card with you. If you happen to see a woman or a man in the military, give this card to them to say thank you for their service for protecting our country. Give this card to a girl who showed remarkable courage today. So there's these different cards there to give away throughout the month. And there we have it. There's the Grace and Grit box for this month. And I will put a link below where you can purchase this. And I hope you enjoyed this video.